So this is the safety certificate.
Okay.
And there's a mistake. It's a 3 and that's an 8.
What's up, guys? We are back. This is Life of Drive. My name's Dan Thiessen, and we are super excited today because today we are finally taking delivery of the BMW Cafe Racer that we've been waiting forever to get our hands on. We started this build back in the winter time, and because of COVID and all that crazy stuff, we have been waiting and waiting for this bike. We are here at the new compound, which is where all the vehicles are kept, and we're just moving actually bikes over and stuff like that. As you can see here, I don't know what the heck this thing is.
That's a black motorcycle right there.
Yeah, that's a black motorcycle right there, right, dude? I'm here with my little dude.
Huh?
What kind of bike are we getting today?
Silver one.
Oh, a silver one?
Yeah.
Is it gray?
It's gray.
Yeah, that's right. What kind of bike? Do you remember?
Yeah. What is it?
BMW.
You Opa?
We got a BMW K100 late 80s, and we've had it fully changed into a cafe racer over the winter, and we got to pick out all the spec of how we wanted it built and what it should look like, and you guys are going to get to see that reveal today. We're just waiting on the bike to be delivered, and then we're going to do a little photo shoot and take you through everything we've done on the bike. Yeah, that's a big warehouse, dude. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm super pumped, super excited. This has been way too long. We've had too many almost deliveries already, so thank you Cafe Racer Canada for doing this build. Can't wait to show you guys. We'll be back. My little man here wants to go for a ride. Malachi, you want to go for a ride, dude? You tell everybody you ready to go fast?
I'm gonna go fast.
All right, so we're gonna take a little ride in this, I don't know what the heck it's called. Let's see here. Whoa, here we go. This thing even has reverse. All right, guys, so the bike is here. He just drove a little bit too far past the house, but that's all right. You gotta turn around and come back.
Over here. All right, brother.
Even the silhouette of the bike, looking at it from the street from where we are, it looks unreal. I'm so excited to see what this finally looks like all done in person. You wanna give me your hand, dude? Bike is coming down the driveway. We got that all figured out. Let's get our first look of what it looks like coming in. So excited. See what this looks like. Oh man. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Unreal. Oh man. Wow, this is awesome.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Time coming.
Yeah, it's all right. It's definitely worth the wait. Goodness.
I could have sold it a few times on the way here, but
Yeah.
knocking it down.
Oh man, it's like in real life, it's like 10 times of what it looks like in the pictures even. This thing is so cool.
That's so cool.
All
That's so cool.
right, all right.
You got the collection here. You got the Euro.
Just started bringing them over. Yeah.
You can take this off. We're outside.
Yeah.
Did I go and drive it?
How's the COVID world treating you? That's crazy, eh?
Yeah. You know what? Like on a personal level, it's fine.
What do you feel about the color, Dan?
Oh, I love the color. That I picked that color. It's a Porsche slate gray. It's just right with all the black accents and everything. It's awesome. I love it. We're gonna take it off the trailer now. And then
Give me a quick driver.
we're waiting for it to come off. It's got to come on.
I'm going to drive it.
Yeah, we are gonna go over.
I'll go. Can I go on back?
No, this one's just for one person.
Huh?
It's just for one person on this one.
I'm going to drive it.
Yeah.
I'm going to
We can take another drive in this too.
So you have two kids, right?
I have one, and then I have one on the way.
What's this guy's name?
Malachi.
Malachi.
Yeah.
Well, that's an interesting name.
Yeah, it's from the Bible. He loves motorcycles already.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wants to go to Opa's house to see the motorcycle.
Bikes. The other one we can do bikes and bigger stuff.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So the best way to get to the stand is just to put your toe in behind.
Okay.
Yeah, just put your toe back there and you can run really easy as opposed to trying to do that. Just
Yeah.
go around it and then, okay. We've got, it's of course all LED lighting, signals, brake light. We've got a battery tender here. So this is a lithium battery.
Okay.
So you will have to get a tender for a lithium battery.
Okay.
Because what they do is they limit the voltage.
Okay.
You can't use a lead acid charger because they'll charge over 14. Speedometer, this is all integrated. So we have, signals, neutral light, oil light, everything is in there. And then this is uses a pickup in the front wheel. The speedometer is digital.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Awesome.
So digital. But they're nice because they look kind of,
It gives it a modern.
it's a bit of a modern look, but it's
vintage
kind of,
style.
it's kind of a retro look as well. So.
You like the double air filters here? Those are air filters. That's right.
What are you doing?
Yeah, they keep the engine clean. Yeah.
So this is just on with
Is that
Velcro strip. So I just kind of press the corners down.
Okay.
Because this stuff really,
Sticks hard.
yeah, it's not going to come
Is that
off.
your seat?
Yeah. See the seat top.
But what's that right
Do
there?
you know what this says? BMW.
Yeah.
You see it?
BMW.
That's right.
There you go. Got that. That's all you need to know.
Have you been riding your bike much? You had one that you were racing, right? The BMW?
Yeah, and I haven't, the R65, I haven't had it out.
Daddy?
We were supposed to, I have a KTM 1090
Okay.
adventure bike, and I do, that's my kind of everyday rider.
BMW.
That's right.
BMW.
We usually do a big trip every couple of years,
Okay.
like to Alaska or
Oh, wow.
something like that. And But this year, of course, nothing's going
You
on.
can't really go anywhere right now.
What's that there?
Okay, so thank you.
Right, here's the battery.
In here, there's the obviously your fuses. There's the serial number on the bike.
Oh, okay.
We cut it off because it was on part of the frame that we removed.
That's right there.
Everything's so just clean and
That's BMW right there.
it is a BMW. This shock system, that's aftermarket.
It is.
It looks really cool.
Yeah. So
Looks
this is
really cool.
from a company called Stadium.
Okay.
Out of,
what's under it?
Peterborough. And because we basically cut the whole back of the frame off, because this bike has this weird triangle thing. If you look at them online, this bar goes down, and they have this.
That's the front
So
seat
you can't get
right
that
there.
nice straight line.
That's the
So
front
this
seat
shock is actually custom.
there.
It's longer.
That's
So that we have this, carry this line. If you look at other bikes that are done like this, you'll see that line. and
It's
you'll-
all
you'll-
about the line, right?
Yeah,
If you break the line, then the whole bike doesn't work anymore. Just like even it's so crazy. Like you're driving by down the road, and just the silhouette of it on the back of the trailer, you could tell it was like it was something different. That's what I love about these bikes. It's amazing this simplicity, but having the lines go in the right direction is what makes it so.
Yep, you're absolutely right. And that's the secret of building these bikes. If you don't get that right, it's
Then you're done.
yeah, you could make these look pretty ugly pretty quick. The whole purpose of the cafe, like where that came from, was in Britain, where they raced from cafe to cafe. Do you know the story?
I think so.
Yeah.
They weren't. It was more like they were like bars, right? Or no?
Well, they call them cafes,
Cafes, but they were bars, yeah.
What they do is they would put a song on the jukebox, and they had to get to the next bar and back before the song ended. And they had to do a ton up, and a ton up is 100 miles per hour.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah.
that was the criteria to be a cafe racer. And these bikes were shit.
Yeah.
They're old British bikes, right? They're only 500 cc, so they just started dumping weight. Like they took weight off
to
them
make them
go
faster.
fast.
And that's why the
and
whole
were crappy
look,
roads, right?
Yeah.
And so they didn't all make it.
that's where the look came from, starting stripping things down.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's amazing
that
what
mine.
you see. Like this
that
is
mine?
one of like
mine?
honestly the way it's set up and built is one of the nicest silhouettes I've seen of those kind of bikes. Like I really love it. As I researched them, I started falling in love with the
my
looks of
bike.
them,
Yeah.
and I knew I needed to have one.
That's my bike.
Yeah, that's
So, hello, my name is Rob Clements. I own Cafe Racer Canada, and we build cafe race bikes like the one that you saw. We typically start with donor bikes, and it's either the customer supplies them or we go and source them. Our specialty is to, just be creative and find ways to make old bikes look really cool and work really well. With Daniel's here, we started with a 1985 BMW K100 RS, and it's been completely, modified, back end chopped, shock extension, custom exhaust. If you know most of these bikes, the exhaust comes out on the opposite side. We swung the exhaust around to give that open wheel concept. We chopped the back and got that nice flat line for the rear cowl. So yeah, nice bike. We probably dumped 100 pounds off the OEM bike. It's very nimble. I've ridden it. It sounds amazing, and he's going to have a lot of fun on it.
We're just gonna take you for a little bit of a walk around the bike. I am absolutely in love with this bike. So a couple things that are really cool. This is an older bike with all kinds of new technology on it. How cool, we're not turning it on, dude, don't worry. How cool is this bike, man? Wow. We got LED lights here on the big front light. This is the slate gray from Porsche I was talking about. What an awesome color. Goes with all the black. We got the K&N air filters popping off of the intake there. As you can see, this is a K100 RS bike. The frame has been chopped, and so that the lines can be nice. That's the thing about cafe racers. You need those lines to be nice and straight so that the bike has a proper silhouette. Once that happens, they have to change the suspension. This is a custom shock here with the black coil to go along with all the black we got going on in this bike. The exhaust system here. And we went pretty much all black accents. You can see the Brembo brakes which Brembo is the way to go. And then what's really cool too is on the other side with these bikes is the way that the drivetrain's set up is this wheel here is completely open. There you can see everything about it, and we got the BMW sign in the center of the wheel, and we got the headers coming underneath. This bike is just a beast and I love it. What do you think, Malachi? Do you like it? You like my new bike? I'm not gonna turn it on. This bike is also super loud, so it's giving Malachi the heebie-jeebies, but man, is it cool. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining us. This bike has been a long time coming, but you know what? It is well worth the wait. I'm so happy it's here. I can't wait to go for a ride. We'll get some video shots of some on the road action in the bike, but I'm sure I'm gonna get stopped everywhere and asked what it is and how it all came to be, which is awesome. If you're digging the content, if you're liking the rides, please subscribe to the channel, set your notifications for when we put out a new video, tell your friends, give it a like. We really want to see Life of Drive grow, and we want to make change in people's lives through drive. That's what Life of Drive's all about, and we'll see you guys next time.